Alright guys, today we're going to start talking about Settlers of Catan. So this is a super nerdy game, which is probably why I enjoy it so much, but let's talk about something called the longest road card. So basically what you want to do is build roads and settlements on all of these hexagons. Maybe the reason I like it so much is because organic chemistry is also hexagons and it reminds me of organic chemistry. Who knows? Okay, so anyways, one of the goals of the game is to get this longest road card. So this card goes to the player whose longest unbroken road of at least 5 segments, and another player who builds a longer road takes this card. Let's talk about how you count roads in this game, because it's actually very similar to how we're going to count carbons in organic chemistry. So we're looking for the longest unbroken segment. If we look at red first, we can count this road a few different ways. We could go 1, 2, 3. We could go 1, 2, 3, 4, or we could count 1, 2, 3, 4. Either way, the longest road that the red player has built is 4 pieces. So even though they've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 game pieces to build the road, the longest road is still only 4 pieces long. If we look at the blue player, they've used a lot more pieces, but let's count their longest road. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we could count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, or we could count 1, 2, 3, or we could count 1, 2, 3, 4. So either way, the longest road that we can possibly consider the blue player to have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces long. So let's look at the white player real quick. The white player has used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces total. So they've used the same number of pieces as the blue player, but when we are trying to count the length of the road, white actually has a much longer continuous road. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or we could start counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we could count this way, 1, 2, 3. Either way, the longest road that the white player has built is 7 pieces, as compared to 5 by the blue player and 4 by the red player. So white and blue have used the same number of pieces. That's going to be important when we talk about naming compounds. They've used the same number of pieces, but the white player has built the longest road. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed my nerdy introduction to this chapter, and hopefully this will make understanding IUPAC compounds a lot simpler.